So let's begin with the introduction to accounting. Can anyone tell me what do we mean by accounting? Just a general term. The basic thing when you hear the term accounting. It's an open class and it's a free class, and I welcome the wrong answers too. So, when we talk about the term accounting, accounting is the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business, right? So, whatever transactions are there in the business, any basic transaction which is related to finance, which is related to the operations of the business, and we have to account them for, is called accounting. For example, I am having a soaps business and I'm buying my raw materials. I need to account how much raw material I'm buying. So that includes a part of accounting. So it's the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to the business. Non-financial transactions does not take place, but yes, there are accounting principles which take into account certain things which also consider the non-financial, that we'll talk about later. But our focus is on financial transactions, and the accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities. So we need to do accounting first of all for the business, and secondly, we know that we need to submit these reports to the government, to the tax authorities, so that taxes accounted time to time. Now, these, whatever we are doing, whatever we are recording, analyzing, and interpreting the results thereof, they are done in the form of certain statements. Those statements are called financial statements. They are used in accounting and are a concise summary of financial transactions over an accounting period, summarizing a company's operations and financial position and cash flows. So basically, whatever we are recording, summarizing, analyzing, we do it in the form of financial statements. You must have heard the term key. If you want to see how the company is progressing, just look upon the financial statements. And the financial statements include, the main two important statements are profit and loss statement and balance sheet, right? So we can generalize the term accounting as basically recording, analyzing, and classifying the financial transactions.